In our previous video, we discussed harmonic functions and construction of an analytic function by Milne-Thomson method and two problems based on that concept. Today we will discuss two more problems on that concept and also method of construction of an analytic function by differential equation. Third problem, if f of z is equal to sin z, then find f dash of z. We know that on differentiating sine function we will get cosine function. Here we have to get f dash of z as cos z. Let us consider f of z is equal to sin z. Replace z by x plus iy, that is sin of x plus iy. We have to apply sin of x plus y rule for the sin of x plus iy. We know that sin of x plus y is equal to sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. On applying this rule for the above equation, we get sin x into cos iy plus cos x into sin iy. We also discussed why cos iy can be written as cos hyperbolic y and sin iy can be written as I times sin hyperbolic y. Now by substituting these equations in the above equation, we get f of z is equal to sin x into cos hyperbolic y plus cos x into I times sin hyperbolic y. F of z can be written as u plus iv, which is equal to. Now separating the real and imaginary parts, we get real part as sin x into cos hyperbolic y plus I times imaginary part as cos x into sin hyperbolic y. That is, u is equal to sin x into cos hyperbolic y and v is equal to cos x into sin hyperbolic y. Differentiating above equations partially with respect to x, we get ux equal to differentiation of sine function is cosine function cos hyperbolic y as it is, and vx is equal to differentiation of cos function is minus sine of x into sin hyperbolic y. We know that f of z is equal to u plus iv, be an analytic function. Now on differentiating above equation partially with respect to x, we get f dash of z is equal to ux plus I times of vx. Substitute the values of ux and vx in this equation, we get cos x into cos hyperbolic y plus I times minus sin x into sin hyperbolic y, which is equal to cos x as it is. Now we have to replace cos hyperbolic y by cos of iy minus sin x as it is. I times of sin hyperbolic y can be written as sin of iy. This is the formula for cos of x plus iy, and again we know that x plus iy can be replaced by z. Therefore f dash of z is equal to cos z. Fourth problem, determine analytic function f of z is equal to u plus iv, where u of xy is equal to x cube minus 3xy square plus 3x square minus 3y square plus 1. Let us consider the given quantity. U of xy is equal to x cube minus 3xy square plus 3x square minus 3y square plus 1. Differentiate u with respect to x partially. Du by dx is equal to 3 times of x square minus 3y square is a constant. Keep it as it is. Differentiation of x with respect to x is 1 plus 3x square differentiation is 6x and minus 3y square and 1 are the constant. Differentiation of constant terms are 0. Differentiate u partially with respect to y, that is du u by du y is equal to minus 6 times of xy minus 6 times of y. We know that f of z is equal to u plus iv, be an analytic function. On differentiating it with respect to x partially, we get f dash of z is equal to du u by dx plus I into du v by dx. We know the value of du u by dx and du u by du y. We don't know the value of du v by dx. Therefore, we have to replace it by minus du u by du y with the help of Cauchy-Riemann equations. Therefore, f dash of z is equal to du u by dx minus I into du u by du y, since du v by dx is equal to minus du u by du y. Substitute the values of du u by dx and du u by dy, we get 3x square minus 3y square plus 6x minus I into minus 6xy minus 6 times of y. Keep the first term as it is, minus into minus plus I into 6xy, again minus into minus plus I into 6 times of y. By using Milnes-Thomson method, we have to replace x by z and y by 0. In above equation, we get f dash of z is equal to 3 times of z square minus 0 plus 6 times of z plus 0 into anything is 0 plus 0, which is equal to 3 times of z square plus 6 times of z. On integrating it with respect to z, we get f of z is equal to 3 into z cube divided by 3 plus 6 into z square divided by 2 plus constant of integration, which is equal to z cube plus 3 times of z square plus c, which is the analytic function. Next concept, construction of analytic function by differential equation. Suppose f of z is equal to u plus iv be an analytic function. Here there are two conditions. In problems, if they have given real part, then we have to apply the first condition, and if they have given imaginary part in problems, we have to apply second condition. First condition, if u of xy is given, then to find harmonic conjugate v of xy is, we know that dv can be written as dou u by dou x into dx plus dou v by dou y into dy. Here they have given u of xy. We know the value of u with respect to x and y. We don't know the value of v with respect to x and y. Therefore, we have to replace it by using Cauchy-Riemann equations. Dou v by dou x can be replaced by minus dou u by dou y into dx plus dou v by dou y can be replaced by dou u by dou x into dy. We have to solve this equation by method of exact differential equation. V is equal to, on integrating above equation, we get left hand side v is equal to integration of m into dx. Here y is to be treated as the constant, where m is minus dou u by dou y plus integration of n into dy, terms not containing x plus constant of integration, where n value is dou u by dou x, which is equal to integration of minus dou u by dou x into dx, where y is treated as the constant. That is, in the value of minus dou u by dou x, we have to treat y as the constant, plus integration of dou u by dou x into dy, terms not containing x. That is, we have to write such a term which does not contain the x in dou u by dou x plus constant of integration. Second condition, if v of xy is given, then we have to find the value of u of xy. We know that du can be written as dou u by dou x into dx plus dou u by dou y into dy. Here we know the value of v with respect to x and with respect to y. We don't know the value of u with respect to x and u with respect to y. Therefore, these two terms can be replaced by dou v by dou y into dx plus minus dou u by dou y can be replaced by minus dou v by dou x into dy by using Cauchy-Riemann equations. Again, we have to solve this equation by method of exact differential equations. On integrating above equations, we get u is equal to integration of m into dx, keeping y term as the constant, plus integration of n into dy, terms not containing x plus c. Here the value of m is dou v by dou y and n value is minus dou v by dou x. Here in the value of dou v by dou y, we have to treat y terms as the constant terms, plus, and in second term we have to write such a terms which does not contain the x in minus dou v by dou x plus constant of integration. This is the method to find the analytic function if they have given imaginary part.